So I think we can all agree that this quilt is easily one of the most vivid, stunning panel quilts we've ever seen. I've seen fabric for 20 plus years, and I will say this is number one. I've never seen anything more dynamically colored that is just perfect. I don't use that word lightly, but just look at the depth of color. This is called Flight of Beauty by Camelot Fabrics, and this hummingbird panel is so prominent and beautiful. It will command any space it's in. It's not a very big quilt, but it will command that space because of the color, and it is absolutely a conversation starter. Let me tell you how you can get a hold of one of these limited kits. We all know yardage is not printed in perpetuity, right? It's a very short period of time. This is on what's called a reserve. We all love reserves. Why? We only have to make a $10 deposit toward the cost of a kit and know that we're going to get a kit. Look at this backing fabric. Again, same collection, absolutely perfect on the back of this quilt. Let's look at this here. Obviously, the focus is the beautiful panel. Simply fussy cut that panel, and look what we did. I had a lot of fun designing this around this panel. Sometimes you'll see quilts that have border upon border upon border, and the panel keeps getting smaller and smaller. I'm like, nope, I want this panel to be front and center. It is, but I didn't want a boring border. So look at the fun block here. We have a square and a square with a fun sew and flip technique that is totally beginner friendly. And this flying geese unit that you're seeing on each of these blocks is made so easily with the Ultimate Flying Geese tool by Creative Grid. It works beautifully with the Creative Grid seam guide and the spinning mat. And hey, guess what? In late April, we'll be releasing a tutorial where I'm unpacking exactly how to make this block perfect every time, whether you've made quilts for 20 years or it's your first quilt. You'll be able to make the block just as accurately as we did. So this one's really, it's an easy decision. It's an easy decision. Here are the things that I want you to do so your quilt looks just as beautiful as ours, because I've never seen anything like this, and I don't know I'll ever see it again. That's how special this is. I'm very excited about this, as you can tell. Head to the Shabby website to make that $10 deposit toward this kit, the backing, right? That's an easy yes. Make that deposit. It's a $5 deposit toward your backing. The other thing I want you to put in your cart, if you don't already have the Ultimate Flying Geese tool, and there's two different ones right now. This is the original, the Ultimate Flying Geese tool. Be sure to add that to your cart. I want you to add the 9-inch seam guide. If you've got the budget for it, I'd love for you to add the Creative Grid spinning mat. You will see in the video that I'm releasing in April of 2026 why this is a beautiful combination. That's the most important thing. And hey, if you need other sewing notions, maybe it's been a while since you've changed the blade in your rotary cutter or whatever that might be, grab those things as well. But those are the most important things to be adding to that cart, and you'll be so glad you did. This is a once in a lifetime quilt. I'm going to say it, it just is. So thank you for letting me show you this beautiful new exclusive project available only at Shabby Fabrics.